My name is Anita, and I have 4 kids. I have my own preschool. I bought Preschool in a Box 7 years ago. I am an elementary school teacher, and I taught for 6 years, and then I decided to quit when I had my oldest. He was 4 at the time, and so I'd been a stay-at-home mom for 4 years, and honestly, things were tight. I couldn't ever have any money for the extras. We had enough to make ends meet, but I never had money to do the things, the fun things, and as the kids were getting older and I wanted to put them in different dance lessons or different piano lessons, things like that, we were just tight. And one time I was taking classes to keep my teaching license current, because always the idea was that I'd be stay at home and then as soon as my kids got older, I would go back to teaching elementary school. And so I was keeping my license current, and the thought came into my head, you should start a preschool. But I only have elementary background, so I had no idea how I could even do that. So I actually searched online for how do you start a preschool, and I found Preschool in a Box, which is amazing. So I decided to buy it. It was kind of on a whim. I didn't know if it would be really good, but Joy's story really resonated with me, and so I loved her video, and so I bought it, and it was the best business decision I have ever made. Preschool in a Box, it just walks you through step by step everything that you need to do, and for the business side, it's amazing, and it answers questions that I didn't know the answers to, and Joy's knowledge was so great, such a blessing. So I now have had my preschool in my home, and that was wonderful because I could be the stay-at-home mom and still do preschool and make an income and be able to be the teacher that I love to be. And I have loved every minute of it. And I now am so grateful for the blessing of being able to have a stable income come in. I have a reputation now that I just always fill up my classes, and I love being my own boss and deciding how much I want to charge, when I want to work, what I want to do. It has been wonderful. So if you are on the fence of buying Preschool in a Box, if you want the freedom, if you want the knowledge to be successful in preschool and go far in your business, then I would encourage you, because it makes the business side of things so easy, and also helps you be a good preschool teacher. So buy Preschool in a Box.
Hey, have you heard about Preschool in a Box? It's literally the one thing I wished I had when I started my preschool 10 years ago. It would have saved me so much time and so much money. Instead, I did the wrong things at the wrong time. Waste of time, I tell you. I can't wait to tell you all about Preschool in a Box. All the things I wish I had, like curriculum. Oh my gosh, can I even tell you how many hours I spent every single night on Pinterest and Facebook groups and the blogs and Google trying to find activities to do for lessons the next day. Or forms. What the heck was I supposed to give to my preschool families? What was I supposed to include in a policies and procedures handbook? Or marketing. How was I supposed to sign up kids? I had a preschool to fill, and I had money that I needed at the end of the month, but how was I going to get that tuition, right? All of those components are inside of Preschool in a Box, and a whole lot more. I want to get you Preschool in a Box. I've got an exclusive opportunity for you. When you join our Preschool All-Stars membership, not only will you be surrounded by myself and hundreds of preschool owners cheering you on during your journey, you get an exclusive discount on Preschool in a Box. I'm talking out of this world. When people see it, they kind of lose their mind. They're so excited, ready to grab it right away. I can't wait to get you your exclusive discount on Preschool in a Box. Just join Preschool All-Stars. Click the link in the description or go to preschoolallstars.com. It's going to be like Christmas.